A hawk just grabbed a dog out of the sky. Now the other one is racing against time. The survivor sprints across a flat, dusty landscape. Dust flies up behind him in long clouds. He stops dead at the edge of a busy highway. He jumps suddenly in front of a moving car. The dog yelps loudly, frantic and clearly terrified. He won't move, desperate and pleading for help. The driver slams on brakes and stops the car. The driver rushes out and follows him into the dunes. They comb the sand methodically, calling out together. Will they find the missing dog before it's too late? Follow to see the rescue and the reunion. And what to do if you ever see wildlife in trouble.